It's Wednesday, September 26th. I'm at the corner of Erie and Kingsbury, and I'm going to pan around and show you the Lennar Urban's Parc Huron site. They just went into pre-construction sales this week. It's right across the street from an iconic building. I love this building. It's 510 West Erie. I'm going to pan up, show you the building. It's a great building. Panning now to the restaurant, the Erie Cafe. The Chicago River is just behind it. And now panning to Erie Park. It's really a dog lover's neighborhood. It looks like every person in the neighborhood has a dog. For pre-construction pricing information, just click on the link below and we'll get that information to you right away. Bob Russell in River North. Talk to you soon.